It's Patrick at Pals. Yep, that's a remanufactured transmission. That is a four-wheel drive transmission. How do I know that? Well, there's the new transmission. There's the transfer case that hooks up to it. That activates both the front and rear drive shafts. This is the old transmission. You know, if you change the fluid in the transmission on a timely basis, the transmission's going to work a lot longer. Trucks are made to work. They're made to pull. If you own a truck, make sure that you change your fluid regularly so that you don't end up like this one. And if you do fail, bring it to Pals. We'll put a remanufactured transmission in it with a 3-year, 100,000-mile nationwide parts and labor warranty. See you soon.